Hi amazing people, welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video guys, I share with you this delicious and a very simple way you can enjoy your banga rice. If you like to see how I made this, please continue watching, and if you're new here, thank you so much for coming. To my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back. I do appreciate all your support. Without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into the video. Over here I have my banga extract and I will allow it to boil. Then I'll go ahead to add some beef stock, and if you can use any stock of your choice, or if you don't have that you can skip it. So I've just added some dry fish. I'm adding some onions and some pepper. I'll add my seasoning and I'll go ahead to add some Kpomo. You can use any protein of your choice for this, so I'm making use of Kpomo and some dried fish as well. I will stir and then I'll allow this to simmer. Then I'll go ahead to add some crayfish, and I will also add some banga spices, and then I'll stir this together. Then I'll cover and allow it to bring to a boil. So over here I'm adding the rice because I've gone ahead to parboil it and I've also washed it. So once I've added the rice, I will also add some water because the stock will not be enough to cook the rice. So I'll add some more water and I will cover and cook on a very low heat. So at this point the rice is perfectly cooked and is well cooked now, and I'll just go ahead to add some scent leaves. You can use some basil leaf if you don't have scent leaf, and I'm making use of frozen one as well because I haven't got the fresh one. If you have the fresh one, the better. So I'll add some the scent leaf, and I will just cover and allow the flavor of the scent leaf to infuse in the rice for a few minutes before I turn off the. So guys, we come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched to this very point, thank you. I do appreciate your stay here. If you're new here, please do well to subscribe to the channel to be part of the family, and please do well to like the video as well and leave your comments in the comment section, and I will be so happy to reply back to you. And thank you once again, and I will see you all in my next one. Have a blessed weekend. Bye.